Hello, and welcome to the final installment of the Clinch Bible Volume 2, Laws of Clinch. Guys, we're about to knock it out the park for you, so just sit back and enjoy yourself. Got anything, Coach, before we get into this?
Let's go, I'm looking forward to it.
Absolutely outstanding. Let's cook.
I see you tall, I'm not going to try to do this. Yeah, if I see the guy is very tall and strong, like he's there, I'm not going to try to take him down. There's no reason, all right? I'm going to try to get another position, get a bit stronger, and then I can put him down. But if the guy starts, he's like that straight away, from the beginning of the clinch, I can just come and do this straight away. Start to apply pressure on his neck and be ultra dominant. All right, so first we get close, poop, lock in, trying to get my neck and pull me down. Not right now, you have to find another solution, right, Coach? Yeah?
Beautiful.
Same, too strong. I'm not here. Here, see, straight away. All right, so that's actually one of the most important things, okay?
Very good.
For beginners.
Guys, guys, when I got the straight palm, I don't know if you noticed, but what I noticed this weekend when we did our seminars, when we did the clinching portion, I saw guys, they actually got the palm, but their feet were under them, Coach. They were trying to struggle back to pull. It's not really smart, all right?
No.
When I get that full pump, I always tell my guys, it's just simply a one step back. Muay Thai is very practical, all right? You don't have to overthink it. Simplicity is the essence of understanding. So when guys get this one, make your neck strong, it's just one simple step, Coach, and just whoop. Usually,
Nice.
usually they're a bit weaker than that.
You know, so he actually got my neck down.
Yes.
But why didn't he get me down? Because I locked my back. I locked my lower back. So it's not actually the strength of your neck, because your neck is strong, but your back is way stronger than your neck, right? So this is what you have to be to tense to defend this lock. So here, if I'm already bended with my back,
bended, let me show the beginner way.
Yeah.
It's just one step. Look, one step. Because I remember when I first started Muay Thai, and I would think, man, if I try to do the full palm, he's going to take my legs down. He's going to do the
single leg.
Yeah, he's going to give me the single
Take down.
leg. But now I understand if they have weak position, it's like you showed, one simple step, whoop, he can't get one feet, or I'm going to make him face plant.
Yeah, definitely.
Show us how to prevent that again with the strong back, sir.
So
that's
strong
a very
back,
key point.
yeah. So whenever I feel that he's got this position, straight away, boop, back is locked in, the lower back, yeah. Lower back is locked in, and even the top. You try to make your back and your neck one single straight line, okay? If your neck is there and your back is round, it's easy to bend. So you're trying to make the whole of it a straight, yeah? And apply the pressure so you go back with your... Actually, like if you want the perfect way, I would apply also pressure with my shoulders. So it weakens his arms. Yeah, Poop, and my whole, see you feel the difference? Like,
yes,
put your
absolutely.
pressure, apply your pressure. See, and now you can't.
I cannot.
There's no way, all right? Even if you try, come on. Try strong, come on. See, he gets my neck, but not my back. All right?
Very good. The feet also. I noticed that you were walking towards
I was also walking because he was creating momentum. I always have to follow. Anyway, that's the same. The law that applies here is the law of the distance. You know, that footwork distance.
the law of distance.
The law of distance.
Tabernacle. So, Coach, if I get that position, you're recommending that we don't walk backwards, because I saw some people, they preach that, if he gets my neck, I'm going to walk back. Yeah, go the opposite way.
Go the opposite way.
Yes, you're saying that we should follow.
It depends, because it depends. I play with this. Like if you notice here, in this all the sessions that we've been doing together, I always go according to what you give.
Feel.
You know, it's not rules of whenever you do this, I go forward or I go back. No, I feel. So now, if you don't actually pull me, then I'm going to take you back. Yeah, because I want to get away from it. If you pull me, yeah, then I go with you a little bit. And then I will create space a bit from there. All right? Because if you pull me and I pull as well, it's going to be too hard. There's no reason to do that. Give a bit, and then you find your position.
So now we're going over, I would say, the majority of people's favorite coach for clinching, sweeps and dumps.
Let's go.
Remember, guys, we're going to utilize not only different sweeps and dumps, but we're going to show you guys the laws that we have to achieve these sweeps and dumps. I know you're going to enjoy it. Here we go. Thank you.
We can get there, boop, like from here. All right, from that position, guys, here, I got this arm, and I got a good grip here. See? And also he's matching it, so he's holding it, so I can even like pull him. See? I can pull him, so I'm going to come a bit close and get my leg inside here. Like straight from there, see that? And I'm going to bump that and also use even my chest and his hand. I can use the whole thing to bump the whole body. All right, guys? And from here, I'm going to push and pull this one. Okay? Hup. And I'm going to release my back leg as it's coming close to it. One more time. So that was a position, but we could do this in many different positions. It's all about the laws. Please, coach, what are they?
Push, pull, and barrage.
That's it.
Bridge or block.
Bridge, barrage, block. The leg is going to be there. So here, I was here. He was matching with his hand inside. He was matching with his hand inside. So I like to use this. See? When I get this, I'm going to use it. Okay? So I feel this. He's matching me here. I'm going to come inside and poof, get that bump here. All right? That leg is the barrage leg. So when I bump this, yeah, I'm going to bring him to this position and then release the leg right before he goes. If you keep the leg from here, he's going to be on you. See? You're actually going to fall. So that's not the goal here. Makes sense? So
absolutely.
The last part of this bump is always to take that leg away and have the pivot to let them fall. Make sense? You want to show one, coach?
Yes, sir.
From a different position, but with the same laws?
Same laws. One thing, coach, so you're saying that if someone gets their hand inside and they're doing this, it's a law for you to actually squeeze in.
I'm using this straight away. Yeah, I don't want to leave it. Poop, straight away, I'm using it. All right, so it's like they're missing one hand. I just have one hand to worry, especially for knees. Like here, boom, look. I can play sometimes, look, those are the tricky shots. Put his hand behind. And then catch it with the other hand. And just knee. Alright, that was a bit crazy.
Yeah, no, it works.
Still, like when you practice at the gym, you can practice this kind of stuff, you know, because it teaches you like agility. Yeah?
Absolutely.
Alright.
So let's cook a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't think that's going to work with him, but guys, remember, here, if they don't, foul, cannot. Foul, cannot. But I can come to his side right here and bump his knee and watch what happens. Boop, automatically. See, he's standing tall, it's a knee bump. Here, whoop, and he's going down. Easy enough, all right? That's why I'm a proponent of when you engage, that's the first thing I'm looking for, foot placement, all right? If I can get him down quickly, why not? If I can get him off balance to really throw that big knee, I don't know about you, coach, but I would rather take the off balance with the knee over the actual dump.
Yes, same. Because that's actually something that scores a lot in Thailand. Like using liam, they call him liam. Don't liam. When you receive liam, it's against you. Yeah? And liam after knee, it's big scoring. Yeah?
Huge.
So you're here in the clinch, yeah. Boop. You got that big, that little, see, or whatever. Like, see, he came for his and I made the other one. So we both.
Okay, so I take Liam.
Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna Liam, like I can do it so many ways. Yeah. Here I'm gonna use the bump to move him. So we're here, we're clinching. I move him, and then I come. I have the knee following that movement. All right. That scores a lot.
Huge, huge.
And that was more a bump, but Liam would be more like a turn, like whoop, and then go for the knee. Or like if he knees me, yeah, I'm going to do this and then knee.
Very good. Defense. Very good.
But
very good.
It's the way to increase your scoring in the clinch. Yeah, knee after a Liam. So movement, a turn, a bump. When you destabilize him, yeah.
All right, a couple more. And
then so whenever he comes, sometimes you do that bump, you do it like after you find something, and you do it, sometimes you do it when they come in. See, I let them come in a little bit, I get the position, then I get my knee inside, just to bump this, yeah? All right, I bump it, and then
let's show that again. I love that.
Try to make them off balance as soon as they come, all right? Come in, and let them come in. Come on, come in.
Let's talk about the hands, because that was nice. Yeah, I like that one, because I'm just here and I put them on the outside. I don't really go with the front foot. Beautiful work.
Yeah, boop. Bump the knee, bump the inside of the hip. Yeah, and sometimes like very skillful Thais with the bumps and the sweeps, they're literally from that long range, they would go for a bump from there. They would step in and boom, like literally come completely. Yeah, get in the clinch, boop, boop, there, boom, boom. Literally drop them from that long range. That can come into any situations. That could be attacking and that could be receiving. All right, now I'm going to do the attack. So I come, yeah, I create, and here, boop. That's it. So what's the movement? Down. I come down, I come under. Yeah, so even if he tries to lock from here, it's fine, because I come, boop. I'm going to use this. Yeah, my shoulder comes high. Okay. From here, boom, I come under. See that I got like safe from that one?
Yes.
I make sure that I'm in the inside. And actually here, I'm not going to use the pull. That's a bit hard to pull from that, but I'm just going to use that push here. And I'm going to lift his shoulder with my shoulder under his armpit. Boom, and trying to bump with my chest as well. I want to bring the maximum of my right side touching his left side, so I can bump as much as I can. Yeah, from there, I get the match.
Only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description.